Let's start creating your design for reversible bucket hat with Merchi's template and mockup. Go to merchis.com. Enter reversible bucket hat in the search box to find this product in our catalog. On the product page, click on the Template and Mockup tab to find the link to download the template file. Download the PSD template from this folder. You can use Photoshop or other alternatives that support smart object functions to open the downloaded templates. Go to photop.com, drag and drop the template to Photop's workspace. Let's break down each part of this template. This template has 4 main sections: the crown, top circle, front brim, back brim, and side panels. Note that the front and the back of the side panels will be aligned with the front and back brim, respectively. Now, let's fill all the areas on this template with your own designs. For the side panels and brims, we recommend keeping all your designs centered. Design each part individually and avoid any designs that feature visual continuity from the front to the back. Green dashed lines indicate the safe print area. Make sure to keep your logos, text, and important details inside these boundaries. Avoid placing critical elements near panel edges or seams, as designs may shift or be cut during sewing. Note that your design should cover the entire gray area. If there is a gray space left blank, it may show white fabric in the final product. One quick thing to note: this is a reversible bucket hat, which means it has 2 wearable sides. You can use this same template to create 2 completely different designs and combine them into one product. For example, you might do a bold pattern on one side and something clean and minimal on the other. Just make sure both designs follow the guidelines, and you're good to go. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include in your printed design. Now, you can save your file. In Photop, click on File, select Export As, and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. In Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export and choose Quick Export as PNG. If you want to add 2 different designs for 2 sides of the hats, upload your 2 design files to the front and back sections. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder. You will find a PSD mockup file along with the preview images. Download the version you want to create mockup for. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files in Photoshop or Photop. On the Layer panel, double-click on the thumbnail of this layer here to open Smart Object. On the new Smart Object tab, before adding your design for the mockup, turn off the example layer on top to reveal the template. Now you can fill this template with your own design. Or you can just fill this space with the design you have previously created with the template file. Afterward, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S. Back to our files, you can see the design has been adapted to the mockup. You can select among the different mockup options right here. Just turn on the mockup option you like. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.